In modern society, quality and safety are major concerns for enterprises and consumers. To achieve the goal of accessible use of a product or service, a powerful tool is needed to solve potential problems. Design Failure Mode and Effects Analysis (DFMEA) is a systematic method for identifying and evaluating potential failure modes, their causes and impacts in products or processes. It is a good cutting edge, which helps us find and solve problems in the design stage, thus avoiding major losses in the later stage. By analyzing potential risks in design, DFMEA helps us identify and optimize key design elements to prevent potential problems from occurring in the past. It covers design, process, materials, equipment, environment and other aspects to ensure that products meet the highest standards in all aspects. DFMEA is a collaborative process involving experts from different professional fields. The collaboration of designers, engineers, production experts, and others will ensure a comprehensive and in-depth analysis with full consideration for every detail. Through DFMEA, we can find and solve problems at the design stage to ensure the safety of products. Reliability and durability, winning more customer trust and enhancing brand value for us. So let's take a look at how DFMEA is used in MappingSpace. Hello, everyone, then let's introduce how to use DFMEA function in MappingSpace. First of all, the DFMEA function belongs to the paid function in MappingSpace. Users can go to the DFMEA Design Failure Mode and Effect Analysis sample file of the automobile project template to experience this function without paying. Then in the following introduction, I will use this file to introduce you to a use of DFMEA function. First, we click on the file. We first go to the canvas page, then move our mouse to the upper left view. Then select DFMEA from the down menu and click. At this point, we enter a DFMEA view on the canvas page. The DFMEA view is mainly divided into two parts. The first is the structure number of DFMEA. The second is the DFMEA analysis table in the lower left corner. First, let's examine the structure tree of DFMEA. When we expand the structure tree of DFMEA, we can see that the structure tree of DFMEA is actually a mapping of nodes in our mind map. A node in the mind map corresponds to a structure in our DFMEA structure tree. Then if we want to create a DFMEA function for a structure, we just need to click the plus sign in front of the structure. Then enter a description of some related functions. Clicking the mouse outside the box, the new DFMEA function will be created. So if we think about a DFMEA function to create a DFMEA failure, we also click the red plus sign in front of the function. After we click, fill in some relevant failure descriptions, and then after the mouse fails. Then as you enter the function, you will have successfully created a failure topic for DFMEA. To set the severity for a failure, click the S icon before the failure. After clicking, we select the relevant severity value. Then click Confirm. At this time, we set a severity for a failure. When we create functions to meet the requirements and fail in the structure tree of DFMEA, then we can do some related DFMEA analysis work. Let's move on to the second part of our view, the DFMEA analysis table. In this DFMEA analysis table, we can first click on the table. After clicking the plus sign, we can create a new analysis record of DFMEA. Finally, we fill in the structural, functional, and failure analysis in steps 2, 3, and 4 respectively. Just me when we complete step 2. Step 3 and Step 4, we can do the final risk analysis and optimize a setup. When I fill out the 4 parts of our actual situation, we have completed the analysis of the whole DFMEA form. After the analysis is completed, we can click the download icon in the lower left corner of the table. After we click, we can export our DFMEA analysis table to a local Excel file. We can have a brief look. Excel file, a format, a content. So first we can see that this Excel is divided into 2 sheets. Sheet 1 is a fill-in for some basic information. Sheet 2 is what we have in the DFMEA analysis table just now. Fill in some related data, and we saved it locally. Again, if we have completed steps 2, 3, 4, and risk analysis and optimization, we can access a DFMEA tab page provided by our platform. We can see some summary lists of DFMEA optimization tasks. Firstly, we see the optimization tasks you received. the optimization task you assigned, and all the optimization measures. We can all view it in this summary page. Likewise, we can also select the stats icon. Some optimization measures we have created so far can be seen. Optimize the distribution of a task state.